Hello, art people. We are going to do a really quick double bubble map here. In fact, we are only going to be filling out this bubble right now, and we'll have it all filled out by the end of the lesson. But for now, we're just going to fill out this bubble right here. So go ahead and just write your name on the top and your class. And let's get to it. So this is going to be a spot where we can put our responses to Back in the Woods, this painting here, before we work with chalk pastel, which we're about to do. It's going to be a lot of fun. So, number one, how does the drawing make you feel? So, who can raise your hand and tell me how this makes you feel? All right, very good. There's really not a wrong answer here. It makes me personally feel calm because I like the outdoors. And whenever there's like trees and stuff in a painting, it usually makes me feel calm. Maybe it makes you feel stressed out. That's okay. Maybe it makes you feel a little anxious. You can write that. Maybe it makes you feel happy. Yeah, just whatever you want to write there as far as the feeling goes. Okay, and go ahead and write that. So super quick. And number two, what does it make you think of? So raise your hand if you want to share what this makes you think of. All right. Again, not really a wrong answer here. Whatever this makes you think of. Maybe, I don't know, there's a movie that you've watched that has a red cabin in the woods. Maybe it makes you think of a movie. Maybe it makes you think of playing outside. Maybe it makes you think of a farm. Maybe you went to a farm one time and there was a red barn. I don't know. To me, it makes me think of camping because it's outdoors and it looks like it's a beautiful day. And I like to go camping. So, all right, camping here. Maybe it makes you think about taking a hike, taking a walk. Maybe it makes you think about summer break, ooh, or spring break, because it's outdoors and it's a beautiful day. All right, so write down what it makes you think of. And number three, it says, what do you think the artist is trying to communicate to you as a viewer? So this is just asking you, when Albert Handel drew this and painted this, what was he trying to communicate with you? Was he trying to tell you about like maybe a story, or maybe it was trying to tell you just whatever you think he's trying to tell you in that you could just write down. I think maybe he's trying to tell his viewers that he really likes the outdoors and that's something that he admires and is amused to him, and so he's going to draw that. So you could definitely write that. We can put that he likes the outdoors. Or maybe he's communicating that he really likes how light hits the cabins and hits the stones here, and he thinks that that's really beautiful. Maybe he's trying to communicate with you something he saw on his walk one morning and just wanted to show you what a beautiful view that was. So whatever you think he was trying to communicate with you. And then number four says, is it a success or a failure in your opinion? So do you feel like this was a successful piece of artwork? That might mean, do you think it looks beautiful? It might mean, does it make you feel excited to do art? Do you feel inspired? Does it make you want to go outside? There's a lot of different ways people measure success. So to me, when I look at a piece of artwork, just personally, it is successful to me if I feel like it looks really nice. And to me, I think it is successful in that way. So I'm going to write yes. But if you don't think it looks nice, you can write no. That it's your decision. And then number five, do you feel like it's a creative idea or not? So creative just means, is it out of the box? Is it different than some things you've ever seen? So maybe you don't feel like this was creative. Maybe you've seen a lot of paintings with red cabins and green trees and stones for a bridge here. To me, I haven't seen anything like this before, so I feel like it is really creative. So I'm going to write yes. I feel like it's creative. And number six, would I hang it on my wall at home? So think about what this artwork would look like in your home. Maybe it would not look good with any of your furniture that you have. Maybe it doesn't match the walls at your house. So or maybe, like I said, maybe you don't really like how it looks and you wouldn't really want to look at it every day, then you would write no. But if this is something you feel like would look really nice in your home, then you would write yes. For me, I would write yes. I think this would look nice in my house. I like to decorate with a lot of green paintings and browns and like naturey things like that. So it would actually work really well in my home, and I think it's really beautiful. So all right, that's all we had to do. Just a quick little 5-minute video of this. And now we get to go ahead and use our chalk pastels. And then we will fill out the other part of this double bubble map that says my responses to Back in the Woods after I've used working with chalk pastels. And then we'll get to compare the two. So we might feel differently about this piece of artwork after we use the materials that Albert Handel used. He used chalk pastels, so maybe we'll feel differently when we're done. We'll find out. All right, thanks for watching.